Comment down correct answer before showing. 1. Which Indian city is set to host the Festival of Libraries 2023? Option A Mumbai, Option B Chennai, Option C New Delhi, Option D Mysuru. Correct answer C. New Delhi. Notes the Union Ministry of Culture will organize a 2-day event, Festival of Libraries, at Pragati Maidan next month. Droupadi Murmu, the President of India, is set to officially open the Festival of Libraries 2023. The festival will include exhibitions, book author sessions, workshops for children, and panel discussions on the digitization of libraries. The aim is to celebrate knowledge, bridge the gap between history and the future, and foster a love for reading. Comment down correct answer before showing. 2. Tankai method, which was seen in the news, is associated with which process? Option A Afforestation, Option B Shipbuilding, Option C Map making, Option D Painting. Correct answer B Shipbuilding. Notes an agreement has been reached between the Ministry of Culture and the Indian Navy to restore the traditional Tankai method of shipbuilding. The complete project will be supervised and carried out by the Indian Navy. This initiative aims to revive and preserve the 2000-year-old technique of shipbuilding known as the stitched shipbuilding method. Comment down correct answer before showing. 3. Who has been designated as the 25th Director General of Indian Coast Guard? Option A Ranjan Gogoi, Option B DG Rakesh Pal, Option C Anil Chauhan, Option D Manoj Pandey. Correct answer B DG Rakesh Pal. Notes DG Rakesh Pal, an alumnus of the Indian Naval Academy, has been designated as the 25th Director General of the Indian Coast Guard ICG. He joined the Indian Coast Guard in January 1989. Rakesh Pal holds the recognition of being the first gunner of the Indian Coast Guard ICG. He has also been conferred with the Tatrakshak Medal TM in the year 2013 and President Tatrakshak Medal PTM for his distinguished service in 2018. Comment down correct answer before showing. 4. Which Indian state hosted the International Symposium on Sustainable Livestock Transformation? Option A Gujarat, Option B Karnataka, Option C Tamil Nadu, Option D Bihar. Correct answer A Gujarat. Notes recently, the Union Minister of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry Dairying inaugurated an international symposium on sustainable livestock transformation. It was inaugurated at the National Dairy Development Board's NDDB, Anand in Gujarat. The event took place as part of the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav and under the Agriculture Working Group AWGM G20. Comment down correct answer before showing. 5. Which state had signed the Minimum Guaranteed Income Bill 2023? Option A Rajasthan, Option B Kerala, Option C West Bengal, Option D Odisha. Correct answer A Rajasthan. Notes recently, the Rajasthan Minimum Guaranteed Income Bill 2023 was presented by the state government, aiming to provide guaranteed wages or pension to the entire adult population in the state. The bill ensures that all families receive 125 days of guaranteed employment annually, while the elderly, disabled, widows, and single women receive a minimum monthly pension of 1,000 rupees.